Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find the checked baggage option in the AerLingus application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you're in the home page, you should look at the upper left corner and you will see three lines there. Press on it, and here at the bottom half of the list you should select the information segment. After doing so, you should select this time the travel information under the info category, and after that you should select here the second option, which is baggage. And you can see here that there are three options here, and you have to select the third one, which is checked baggage. After doing so, you have to wait a little bit until the page loads in. And you can see all the information about the baggages here, and you can read all about it if you want. Now it is segmented within Europe, and if you scroll down you can see that then it starts from transatlantic, and basically this is how it is categorized and ruled basically. So anyway, you can read all about the baggage rules here. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.